Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. What's your name?
My name is Shubtanto Rujario.
Where are you from?
I'm from Savar.
Where do you live?
I live in Savar.
What do you do?
I am student.
Do you love your parents?
Yes, I love your parents.
I love my
I love my parents.
parents. What's your biggest dream?
My biggest dream is I'll be a banker.
Hey, this is too much. Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak in
Speak
English.
English. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
Do you live city or village?
I live city.
I live in
I live in city.
city. What's your school name?
My school name is St. Joseph High School and College.
What's your favorite toy?
Now, I have a favorite toy.
I don't have favorite
I don't have favorite toy.
toy. Do you read books?
Yes, I read books.
What do you do in the morning?
I go to school in the morning.
I go to school
In the
in the
morning.
morning. Okay. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling.
I like traveling.